Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. We discussed in my previous video about interview tips and all, but today this is also kind of interview tips session only. But usually you don't get to see all these things maybe in YouTube or other books or journals or whatever it is, because this is my real experience, what I'm trying to share with you people. Because sometimes I sit in panels, because I'm into recruitment for last 10 years in UAE. So these are the small tips I just would like to give to the people, especially the youngsters who are willing to come here and attend the interviews and all. So first thing we'll discuss about, how you carry yourself first. That comes, with so many things, added to so many things, like the way you dress up. And the first important thing is that when you are in any particular country, you should first check, what kind of dressing they are. When it comes to formal, when you go for the interviews, you have to bear all these things in your mind. So here the proper formals, obviously for males, it is just like wearing a trouser and blazer. With some people wear a tie, or some people they don't wear, it's up to them. But then a proper formals. Okay, when it comes to women or ladies also, it is the kind of skirts, little longer skirts, and then formal blazer, all these things. And then the next thing, when you come or enter into the interview room also, always wear your smile. Smile is very important, so that when you greet panel also, the pleasantness in your face should appear. So that is one thing. And then, and the small things, people generally tend to, they don't notice. But we know, when they come, that also makes a lot of difference. Of course, that doesn't depend upon the you're going to crack the interview or not, but the impression leaves on that particular person. The way you open the door, you just cannot make any noise, when the room is so silent and people are ready to, welcome you, start with your interview and all. Gently, slowly, without any making noise, sound, you have to open slightly, and then enter. And then when they ask you to sit also, you should not drag the chair just like that, with force, or some unbearable noise. These things, will make a lot of differences in the interview before even you start. Say for example, if you had come and then you are in, kind of stressful mind, do I do the interview better or not, how it's going to be and all. Those things also don't matter. But when you have these small things in your mind, and then you tend to do also, that is also kind of one impression on them. And then after that, one more thing, just don't come for the interviews just like that. Apart from the dressing also, sometimes you need to focus about how you smell. I mean, you need to wear a proper perfume also, spray or perfume, like, it should not be too strong, where people cannot bear. Or it should not be too mild also, because this part of the world is, most of the time we have lot of sunny weathers and all. When you walk little bit also, you tend to sweat and all. So in such cases, it should not be mild also. By the time you go enter the room, and then if you smell like some sweaty and all, so that also doesn't leave good impression on you. So these are the small things, you need to really work out. And I have seen, especially, different nationalities also, when it comes, they just walk in like that, and so casually wearing slippers, and then wearing sometimes jeans and all. No, please, if you really want to work out getting a job in a proper way and all, all these things also matter. These are small small things, nobody is not that much worried about it, but then these things also give good impression on any of the panel members. And one more thing I would like to stress here is, please, when you're going for an interview, you should not stress out yourself that you should get the job. Don't answer them, though you are so desperate, you need this job. No, it's okay. You're going to go for the first time and meet them. In whichever way you answer, they are not going to come back to you, and they are not going to ask you, why did you answer like this? Why did you answer like that? So all these things, you just leave it. It just casually you talk, and then don't try to ever give your personal information or personal needy situation what you're going through. Nobody is interested. Some people, for example, I'm the only bread earner in my family, I really need this job, something. We should not always get that impression also. He's so desperate and these are the situations he has got. No, always interview should be on your caliber, actually. How you take things, how you manage, and how you sell yourself. It's about your abilities to do any particular job. So these are the tips actually I just would like to give. If you really like it, please subscribe, share, like it, and then send it to your friends also. And then there's a small bell icon, please click on it. Thank you so much for watching me. I'll be back with some other videos soon. Thank you. God bless.